Hello dear student, welcome to you in third part of the first one story of English, and the name of it Gold Butterfingers. I hope dear student you all are stay safe at home and watching videos regularly. So let me continue the story which we have already started, and first two part that we have already completed in previous lecture. So now in today's lecture we are going to just complete the stories explanation. So just take out your book and open your book page number 3. So before going to continue the story, we have to just recapitulate that what we have seen in this story previously. So the heading of the story is Gold Butterfinger. What is the heading of the story of the lesson? Yes, Gold Butterfinger, and it is written by the writer Kevin Lisa in 2012. It is published. It is one of the book name also, and it is published in 2012. So it is a story of the school Green Park schools, some students, and especially one of the very prominent character of the story, and whose name is Amar Kishan. What is the name of that boy? Yes, the most prominent character of the story is Amar Kishan, and he is called Butterfinger. And that name is given by his parents to him because he dropped the things always. What does that mean by Butterfingers, which I had already explained you? Butterfinger is a word that is used for a person who drop the things frequently. जो चीज़ें बार-बार गिराता है, जो उसके हैबिट में होता है, so that boy or that person is give the name Butterfinger. So the Butterfinger name is given by his parents, Amar Kishan's parents, to him because when in his childhood it was in his habit to drop the things frequently. That's why he had given the name Butterfingers. So student, it's a story of Amar Kishan and his friend where in their school, Green Park School, they wanted to just organize a football match. वो क्या करना चाहते हैं? अपनी स्कूल में फुटबॉल मैच ऑर्गेनाइज करना चाहता है. Especially Amar Kishan, he wanted to just plan a football match in his school for the class 8 and class 9 student. And for it, he wanted to just discuss his plan with his friends. And when it was a recess time, it was a lunch time, he got the time to just discuss his idea with his friends. And that time when he just started to talk his opinion or talk his thought with his friends. His friends were also ready with it, and they were very happy when they heard the idea of the Amar Kishan, who wanted to just organize a football match in his school, and all they were very happy. And when they heard about it, they started to just make a format how the match will be played and when it will be played and how many teams will be there. So each and everything will be started to think about the student in the school in the lunch time. And Amar Kishan, whose friend was one of the friend was Kiran, and both are the good friend also, but and both students favorite game is also football, but they do not support to the same team, है ना. लेकिन जो उनकी जो टीम थी वो हमेशा एक टीम को सपोर्ट नहीं करते थे. In many works, in many ways, in many games they support to the same thing, but while they talk about the football match, लेकिन जब भी कोई फुटबॉल मैच की बात होती थी, so their choices are different about the football match or football team. They never support to the same team. And as we have seen, Amar Kishan is a great supporter to the Spain team. वो एक स्पेन टीम को सपोर्ट करता है, while his friend Kiran, he support to the Brazil or ब्राज़ील या फिर हॉलैंड की टीम को वो सपोर्ट करता है. सो इन दिस वे डियर स्टूडेंट, प्रीवियसली वी हैव सीन दैट हाउ they started to make a plan for the how to organize a football match in their school. Now let me continue the story. So just open your book page number 4. So just let I read the paragraph first. Arun looked confused. How can there be 7 matches? There are only 2 classes. Work it out at home, Arun. Kishore teased him. Don't tax your brain now. Arun looked confused. Now Arun is also one of the student, and he was getting confused when he heard that there will be 7 matches, and he was confused that if there are just only 2 classes, so how could be 7 matches will be played. Work it out at home, Arun. Kishore teased him, and now Kishore started to tease him. और तभी क्या करता है, किशोर उसे टीज करने की कोशिश करता है. Don't tax your brain now. Don't tax your brain now means don't think your brain hard. Don't tax your brain means don't think hard. So what he said, you do not have to just think hard about it that how could be matches will be played. You have to just prepare a plan for it. And as for the teams, we must decide on the countries. Let's be Spain. And each and every classes they wants to give a country name also for that particular football team. So as Amar Kishan he always support to the Spain team, so that's why he wanted to give his team name Spain. And let's be Spain, said Amar. No, Brazil, protested Kiran or Holland. No, Brazil protested Kiran or Holland. And as we have seen, Kiran always support to the Brazil or Holland team. That's why we want to just give his team name Holland or Brazil. France, Mino shouted. Italy, Argentina, Japan yelled Tejinder. And in this way, the other student also started to give the name to their team. Like some would say their team name will be France, or some would say their team name will be Italy, Argentina, or Japan. Paraguay, Uruguay shouted Amar. What Amar said? Paraguay, Uruguay. So they started to just give a name to their team in this way. Ghana, this was Jairam's contribution, and one more country name is given by the Jairam, and it was Ghana. Ghana was in the World Cup last 8. So Ghana is also good team, and he was also last time he had been in last 8 World Cup team. So meanwhile, Arjun hearing the names of countries being shouted. So in this way, all the students started to give their choices team name, and which will be represented by their class In this way, they started to give a country's name, but having no idea why, said patriotically India. So in this way, he heard many countries' name who is the best football team in the world, like Paraguay, Uruguay, Spain, Brazil, England. In this way, Holland. He heard many words, many country name except India. लेकिन अमर ने इंडिया का नेम नहीं सुना था. So no would say India's name. Amar promptly cried him down. You crazy, India in the World Cup, not in millions years. So it was a very sorrowful thing for us that our India team was not in the World Cup from millions of years. कई सालों से उसने World Cup नहीं खेला है. I think Arjun's made a sensible suggestion, said Kishore. Why can't some class represent India? So in this way, he wanted to just highlight our country name also for the football team, and he wanted to give India name for some classes also. I think Arjun made a sensible suggestion, said Kishore, why can't some class represent India? So it was a good suggestion given by the Amar that some class will be represent our Indian team. At least that way India would play in the World Cup. तो शायद इसी बहाने से इसी तरह से इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप तक चली जाएगी. There is no matter by the classes only or by the school, it will be played by the school only. True, Jairam agreed with Kishore. Why not pick lots to decide on the countries that would be represented and then take further lots to decide which class would represent which country? True, Jairam agreed with Kishore, and in this way, Jairam, he was also agreed with the Kishore. Why not pick lots to decide on the countries that would be represented and then take further lots to decide which class would represent which country? And in this way, it was a good decision by all the students. They give some countries name which are very best football team in the world, and at last is our own country name is also suggested by Amar Kishan, and they all just agreed with him, and in this way they started to give a country name to a respective class. Everyone agreed, and Amar had begun to make a list when the bell went. Pressing to wash their hands to the student just managed to return before Mr. Ramesh, the history teacher, entered the classroom, and it was a very enjoying excitement thing for the student, while they have to be just organize a football tournament in his own school. और इस तरह से वो अपनी ही खुद के स्कूल में एक फुटबॉल का टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करना चाहते हैं, which could be started by the Amar Kishan, and it was a beautiful fantastic plan which was given by Amar Kishan, and all students just like his ideas. And in this way they started to plan on it and just make a format on it, that how many teams will be there and how many teams will be played in the football match and which name will be given to the each classes. So it was a very interesting lesson, and the name of it Goal Butterfingers, where we could have see the excitement of the student, that how they are eager to know about the name of their own country, while though in any games. So I hope, dear student, you have understood the story very well. Now, I hope you have completed the word meaning also, which is given on your book page number 5, and you have done it also. Now, one more homework I am giving to you, that you have to just learn that word meaning which is given on your book page number 5. Now, let me see choose the correct answer which is given on your book page number 5. So in just short, we are going to just complete it. Just take it, whatever the correct answer will be there, you have to just take it down in that with that statement. So the first one question is, why was Kiran morose? Why was Kiran morose? And the options are, Brazil had won the World Cup, Spain had won the World Cup, or Spain had lost to Brazil in the World Cup. Why morose means why he was annoyed. वो क्यों चिढ़ गया था? क्यों? Because Spain had lost to Brazil in the World Cup. Because the World Cup World Cup which was won by the Spain team, and Brazil had lost in the World Cup. That's why he was morose. Next one, second. So the first one correct answer is C. Next, why did Jairam look both pleased and embarrassed? Why did Jairam look both pleased and embarrassed? Why he was happy and feeling embarrassed? Because he was being praised and called Messi. The correct answer is B. He was being praised and called Messi क्योंकि वो थोड़ा हैप्पी फील कर रहा था, क्योंकि सभी लोग उसकी तारीफ कर रहे थे, and he of the famous football player. So that's why he has given a name Messi, because he is one of the good athlete in his class. So that's why he has given a name him. He is called by Messi. Next one, third one, why was Arun confused? Arun confused क्यों था? He could not figure out why India could not be in the World Cup, and he could not figure out how two classes could have 7 matches. Why he was confused? Yes, he was confused to figure out that how two classes could have 7 matches. दो classes के बीच में 7 matches कैसे हो सकते हैं? He was starting to think about it. That's why he became confused. Next one, why did Amar look gratified? Because he was pleased that his idea was accepted with enthusiasm. Why did Amar look gratified? Why he was looking happy? Because he was pleased that his idea was accepted with enthusiasm. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके आइडिया को सपोर्ट किया जा रहा था. That's why he looks very gratified. Next one, which team do you think Jairam supported? Which team do you think Jairam supported? Jairam ने कौन सी टीम को सपोर्ट किया था? Yes, the correct answer is Ghana. So I repeat the answer once again. First one, why was Kiran Moros? The correct one answer is C. Spain had lost to Brazil in the World Cup. Next, second one, why did Jairam look both pleased and embarrassed? Because he was being praised and called Messi. Second option. And the third one, why was Arun confused? Again, second answer, he could not figure out how two classes could have 7 matches. Let us see the fourth one question. Why did Amar look gratified? Because he was pleased that his idea was accepted with enthusiasm. Next, the fifth one, which team do you think Jairam supported? Jairam ने कौन सी टीम को support कर रहा था? Yes, he was supported Ghana team. So in this way, student, we have seen the first one question also. I hope you have done it in your book. So dear student, just complete your everyday task each and every day without forgetting. So it's a reminder to you that whatever the homework is given by you, whatever it's regarding its reading turn activity or whatever, so those students will be allotted the homework. So it's request to you that your assignment or your video presentation would be sent to me before the time. So I hope, dear students, you will complete your today's homework today itself, and will meet you in next video. Till then,